It's open house today, and today we're gonna see this interesting building, the Embassy of Switzerland in South Korea. Very nice weather, very nice day. Open house in Seoul. It's an embassy, so it's not that easy to enter, but during Openhouse 2025 I could visit. Open House is an event that allows you to visit different buildings and studios in different cities. You can check in the website, you need to apply, and then there's a lottery and you can join. So here we are in Seoul, Gyeonggi. Seoul City Wall, the mountains, and the mountains of apartments as always in South Korea, and the embassy creating a nice courtyard. We're gonna see now. You need special access to be able to enter. Of course, it's an embassy, so there's some security reasons, but even the wall is quite nicely designed. Anyway, let's go inside. Nice concrete wood texture. Even touching a little bit, architects love touching buildings. Mostly look at the courtyard. That's the main space you can see once you enter. It's a courtyard that references the local Hanok architecture, obviously, in a very nice way. It's a continuous facade that's wrapping all the space together. It's made of timber structure, glass and stone pavement, and also a little bit of nature. And even water connections is a very nice art installation that helps to collect the water from the rooftop and even use it later for watering the plants. Such a nice building. Now let's look inside a little bit the building. Let's have an overview of how it's done. There's a very interesting timber structure, exposed concrete with a wood finish, interesting lighting design, and very interesting filters between the inside and the outside. It's a great architecture. You can see the work and the contrast with the surroundings in this nice model. And then looking at the pictures that I took, you can see the careful design and especially the very nice, careful construction. Very, very careful design. The timber structure is both a finish and a structure. Super sustainable. And then the inside and outside cross views and the lighting design makes a very warm space. It's really, really good work. The visit showed us a few private spaces of the embassy that we could not record. So join an open house visit next time, maybe. There's a lot of information online. I can link you in the comments. Very interesting brochure about how the design works. And as a summary, you can go to the website Openhouse. There's a lot of interesting pictures, images, who is the designer, and how it was done in Korean. It's a very interesting information, of course. Thanks to Open House, we are able to visit this interesting building. And that's it for this building. Thank you.